Lodge Manufacturing has become a very well-known name in the cookware industry. We are the only American manufacturer of a full line of cast iron cookware. We export all over the world. We sell into every state in the Union. 1996, we installed a new molding machine. And at that time, we installed a Simpson mixer with a Hartley controls. Now, it has been running continuously since then. About 5 years ago, we decided to start looking at expansion of our plant. We were not able to produce in the future what we felt like we would need. 2 years ago, we began on the expansion project. We decided to include in it 2 more Simpson mullers and also the Simpson multi-cooler. We investigated those. We had always had good luck with the mullers and the Hartleys that were on them, so we went with that. We investigated the cooling of the sand as it came through and finally settled on the Simpson multi-cooler. At that time also, when we installed that equipment last year, we decided to go ahead and upgrade our sand lab with all new equipment from Simpson. The reason that we insist on the best here at Lodge and the best equipment, the best sand, the best quality, is because the product we make is a thin wall casting. And this casting that comes out of our plant will be sitting on a shelf for the customer to see, the customer to feel. And so it's very important that we have the properties we need so we get that smooth finish and the thin wall on it. During my career, I've worked at several plants besides Lodge Manufacturing. I've worked at some plants that had no cooling in their sand. I've worked at plants that had other cooling in their sand, such as fluid bed cooling. And those plants did not have the sand that we do here at Lodge. They could not do the things that we do. The Simpson multi-cooler has really helped to develop the sand properties that we need here. We have experienced in the past with our original sand system and also now with the new sand system, extremely low downtime. Our uptime is significant and we never worry about being down because of the sand system. There is training involved in taking care of the machines, and we do all of our maintenance unless we run into an issue that we just don't understand or we've never seen before. At that time, we will contact Simpson, and they've always been very ready to send somebody to us or to help us out on the phone. On our Simpson equipment, we have never lacked for help when we needed parts. It gets here very quickly. They always have what we need. The supply is very good from that end. We're dependent on the Simpson equipment because it takes very little labor just to test the properties. There's nobody dedicated to actually watching the equipment. It's just dependable and it runs.